Ciao! If you fancy making a very elegant and amazing recipe which will impress any guest, including yourself, you're in the right place. Tonight I'll be cooking spaghetti, and I will be using a couple of courgettes, some olives, clearly spaghetti, one large clove of garlic, some mint. These are marinated anchovies with chili, and some beautiful yellow, actually I should say orange and red tomatoes on the vine. So let's get down to business. Remove the head and the bum from both courgettes. They are approximately 600 grams in weight, these two. Chop the courgette in half, then half again, and from each half make 3 pieces. And it is going to be easy to separate now the soft white inside of the courgette from the green part of the outside, just like this. I have completed the second courgette as well, and I'm now chopping the exterior part, the skin, effectively into little pieces, approximately 2 to 3 centimeters each piece. I've got some hot water in a saucepan, and I will be adding some salt. And I'm adding also the courgettes which I've just chopped. Keep this water because we will be cooking the pasta in the same water as well. Perfect, the water is boiling again, and I will leave them to blanch now for approximately 5 to 6 minutes. Perfect, I've just moved them into a jug, and remember to keep the water. I'm adding a little olive oil, half a ladle of cooking water, and a pinch of salt. And using my hand blender, I will be blending it until I get a lovely and velvety cream. Perfect, looks really good. Little taste for salt. Bang on, absolutely perfect. Get hold of the remaining part of the courgette, the white bit. Put them sideways and cut them into tiny little pieces, literally approximately half a centimeter each piece. Put some olive oil in a frying pan, clove of garlic, a gentle crush, and I put mine with the skin inside it. Immediately followed by my courgette. And I'll be leaving the courgette and the garlic to sizzle together and amalgamate for a good couple of minutes. I'm keeping the temperature onto a medium to high, and as soon as they start turning brown, like this one here, you can see they're lovely and brown already, I will be adding my tomatoes, which I have chopped in half. Immediately followed by olives, and I would recommend that you use pitted olives, but also you can use black olives, of course, your choice. And I'm going to let them sizzle together now for a little while until the pasta is done. Talking of which, spaghetti ready, water from before, and in they go. And as I often say, as soon as you put pasta in boiling water, any pasta, not just spaghetti, ensure that you give it a good mix so that it doesn't get stuck together. I will not be adding any salt because I already put salt before, of course. So the spaghetti is nearly cooked, is well before al dente, and I'm gonna be finished cooking them now with my tomatoes and courgette. And remember to add a little cooking water as well to make it lovely and creamy. And mix everything together to ensure that the pasta absorbs the lovely flavor from the courgette and the tomatoes and the olives, so that it finishes cooking with a lovely sauce. Apply a little cream in a serving bowl first. And I'll try my best to do a little nest today. There, looking beautiful. Ensure that you add some of your ingredients, of course. I have left the garlic in mine. I don't mind it, but by all means remove it if you don't like it. A little bit more cream on the top. I mentioned anchovies at the beginning, so I will be putting a couple in each plate now. That's one, that's another one. And I will finish the dish with some mint, and this will give a distinct flavor and also freshness. And there is only one thing left to do. You guessed it. That's really velvety and elegant. Buonissima. Ciao ciao. Enjoy if you make it. Thank you for watching. Bye.